In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use MacWhisper, a powerful and easy-to-use transcription tool for Mac. Whether you're transcribing YouTube videos, audio files, or even podcasts, MacWhisper makes it super simple. But here's the thing. There's one hidden feature inside MacWhisper that most users completely overlook, and it might just save you hours of work. I'll show you where to find it later in the video, so stick around. I'll also walk you through the free features, what you get with Pro, and how to get started in just a few clicks. Let's dive right in. When you open MacWhisper, this is the main screen you'll see. At the top, you can paste a YouTube, audio, or video file link if you want to transcribe directly from a URL. And here's a tip. In a moment, I'll show you a lesser-known shortcut that makes this even faster. Below that, you'll see a set of large buttons. Let me quickly explain what each one does and which ones are worth upgrading for. Open Files. This is where you can upload your audio or video files directly from your computer. Just click it, choose your file, and it will start transcribing. But did you know MacWhisper can handle more than just basic MP3s? Keep watching to see which surprising formats it supports. New recording. Want to capture something live? Like a class or podcast interview? Use New Recording. MacWhisper records your voice and transcribes it as you speak. Quick question. What's faster than typing? Speaking. And this tool turns your words into text before you even realize it. Batch Transcription, Pro feature. Now, if you have multiple files and want them all transcribed at once, this is where Batch Transcription comes in. In just a second, I'll tell you the one scenario where this feature becomes a total game changer, especially for content creators and researchers. Record App Audio, Pro feature. Another Pro tool is Record App Audio. This one's sneaky powerful. It lets you grab audio from any app playing on your Mac, even ones that don't allow downloads. Ever wished you could transcribe a webinar or Zoom call without screen recording? This does exactly that. Global. Clicking Global shows your entire transcription library. If you're working on a lot of projects, this keeps everything organized in one place. But don't skip this. I'll explain later how one search trick inside Global can save you from digging through endless transcripts. Cloud Transcription, Pro feature. If your computer is slowing down with big files, Cloud Transcription takes care of that. It offloads the work to the cloud, speeding things up dramatically. What's cool is that this isn't just faster, it's also smarter. I'll explain how in just a minute. Let's quickly go over the smaller buttons at the bottom, but don't scroll away yet. There's a hidden reason why Manage Models might be the most important one. Manage Models. This lets you install or remove AI models for transcription. Larger models, better accuracy. But here's the catch. They can eat up space fast. I'll show you how to choose the best one later. Support. Got stuck? Click here. But honestly, once you learn the trick I'll show you at the end, you might never need support again. Upgrade to Pro. This is your key to unlock all the premium tools we've talked about. Leave a review. Show some love if you find MacWhisper helpful. Download iOS app. Want to transcribe on the go? Tap here and start from your phone. Okay, pause. Let's break the rhythm for a sec. At the bottom of the screen, there's something easy to miss but super helpful. You can drag and drop your files directly into this window. Yep, no buttons needed. Just grab your MP3, WAV, M4A, MP4, or even MOV files and drop them in. Quick test. Try dragging a video file here and watch what happens next. It's oddly satisfying. Now let's check the drop-down menu at the top where it says Model. This is where you can really customize your transcriptions. You can choose your language: English, Spanish, Japanese, and many more. You can also enable cloud transcription here, which helps with speed and offloads the work from your Mac. And here's something most people skip. Manage local models. This lets you install lighter or more powerful models depending on your storage space and how accurate you want your transcript to be. Wondering which model is best for long interviews? I'll give you a tip on that in the comments. Just ask. Let's talk price. If you want to unlock the full version, here's what you're looking at. $299 per week. Great for quick, one-time projects or trial runs. $1,790 per year. This is the most popular plan and way more cost-effective long-term. And here's the thing. Some of the best features like fast retranscription, folder monitoring, and multi-subtitle export are only in Pro. So if you're doing this more than once a month, you'll probably want to upgrade. And that's the full tour of MacWhisper. Now you've seen how to record, transcribe, organize, and even level up with the Pro version. Still wondering whether the Pro plan is worth it? I'll leave a breakdown in the description to help you decide. Try it out today. The link is in the description. And if you want a deeper dive into transcript editing, model comparisons, or real-time usage tests, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.